Hi everyone! Today in this video I'll show you how to look your Facebook profile. So keep watching till the very end, let's dive in. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure it's updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you'll be redirected to the homepage. Here, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. At the Settings tab will open up. Scroll down a little bit and locate the Audience and Visibility tab. Under this tab, you'll find the Profile Looking feature. Simple tap on it. Tap on the Look Your Profile button to continue, and you'll see that your profile has been successfully locked. If you can't find the Profile Looking feature, it means that it's not currently available in your region. In the case, you can try setting up some privacy limits that will give a similar experience. You can go to the Followers tab and try setting the privacy as limited as possible. You can do the same with the profile and tagging feature. So that's basically how you can look your profile Facebook. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.